Are you finding it tough to pick a car seat that's both safe for baby and easy for you to install in the car? Relax, because today I'm breaking down the top options so you can shop with confidence. Today, I'm going to be going over the best infant car seats that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Graco SnugRide Lite LX. From a parent's perspective, the Graco SnugRide Lite LX promises a blend of portability, affordability, and user-friendly installation for newborns. The shell and padding feel sturdy with a sculpted handle and reinforced joints that convey reliability while remaining feather-light. It is designed for newborns and tiny infants, featuring a snug head support, plush padding, and a contoured seat that promotes ergonomic posture. Key features include an easy install base, compatible latch system, and a generous rear-facing weight limit of up to 35 pounds. In daily car use, the seat clicked securely into the base with minimal effort, while the fabric remained breathable and stain-resistant. Compared to the Chico KeyFit 30, the Graco SnugRide Lite LX wins portability yet lags slightly in base adjustability and install feedback. The pros include lightweight frame, one-handed carry, and secure latch, each improving everyday portability and simplifying quick installations for busy families. The cons include higher price and smaller shell, factors that can influence overall value perception and stroller compatibility for some families. The seat cover is designed for straightforward cleaning, with machine washable fabric that simplifies maintenance after spills and messes during travel. Base installation for the Graco SnugRide Lite X remains straightforward in most vehicles, though some compact cars require patience aligning tethers. Graco emphasizes standard safety certifications and impact testing, providing peace of mind for caregivers seeking reliable crash protection and consistent performance. The seat's compact footprint promotes better rear seating space, enabling 3 across configurations in small vehicles, while maintaining a comfortable seating angle. Graco offers customer support and a limited warranty that covers manufacturing defects, providing reassurance for new parents investing in safety-oriented gear. Overall, the Graco SnugRide Lite LX delivers portability without sacrificing safety, presenting a strong option for budget-conscious families seeking travel ease. At number 4, we have the Baby Trend Z Lift Plus. Targeted at budget-minded parents seeking portability, this seat emphasizes simple use, broad vehicle compatibility, and crew-friendly sizing for small cars. Constructed with a sturdy polymer frame and impact-absorbing foam, the Baby Trend Z Lift Plus emphasizes durability while maintaining a slim, travel-friendly profile. It measures about 17 inches wide and 24 inches tall, ensuring compatibility with most small to mid-sized vehicles without compromising seating space. The fold mechanism is straightforward, allowing parents to collapse the seat with one hand while securing it in the trunk for travel. Its 4-position recline and plush infant insert provide a snug fit from newborn to toddler, while side impact protection enhances safety. During simulated daily commutes, the harness remained secure, the fabric resisted stains, and the padding stayed cool through warmer drives. Installation with latch anchors was straightforward on most vehicles, though deeper cup holders occasionally blocked access to the lower tether anchor. Compared to the Chico KeyFit 30, the Baby Trend Z Lift Plus offers easier base installation, but lags in head support customization. The pros include a lightweight design that makes carry and transfer effortless, an affordable price point, and an exceptionally straightforward belt path installation. The cons include limited head support customization and a relatively shorter overall lifespan due to budget materials and compact construction. The cover is machine washable and the fabrics resist staining, making cleanup after meals or spills notably less burdensome for busy families. The base remains compact, allowing easy stroller or vehicle seating interchange, and the headrest adjusts to grow with the infant while maintaining stability. Overall, the Baby Trend Z Lift Plus delivers essential safety features, practical everyday usability, and a budget-friendly package that suits growing families. Parents should consult the user manual for exact weight limits and recline positions to maximize safety with the Baby Trend Z Lift Plus. At number 3, we have the Baby Trend Z Lift Pro. From the moment unboxed, this model signals a focus on practicality. Safety-minded families seeking effortless daily use and reliability. Designed primarily for families needing quick, secure installs, this model emphasizes user-friendly setup right out of the box. The build quality section describes a chassis built with durable plastics and reinforced seams that endure daily handling while remaining surprisingly light. Its streamlined design prioritizes a compact footprint and easy lifting, delivering one-hand adjustments for transitions between car seats and strollers. The carrier width remains accessible for most mid-sized SUVs, ensuring universal vehicle compatibility while maintaining safe clearance for doorways and aisles. Adjustable headrest and cushioned harness provide tailored comfort as the child grows, with secure locking mechanisms that prevent inadvertent looseness. Safety credentials include a 5-point harness, a sturdy shell, and crash-tested design elements that align with current industry standards. A standout feature is the machine washable cover that detaches with minimal effort, drastically simplifying cleanup after spills and diaper changes. In real-world testing, parents reported reliable installation across several car models, with consistent recline settings maintained during long trips. The seat's footprint remains reasonably compact during transitions to strollers, which minimizes maneuvering space requirements in tight city apartments. Although installation is straightforward, some users may find the belt routing instructions slightly ambiguous, requiring a careful read through the manual. When placed against the Graco SnugRide SnugSecure, Baby Trend S-Lift Pro offers lighter handling but fewer premium fabric options. The pros include lightweight design, easy installation, and compact footprint, a trio that translates into real daily practicality. The cons include higher price than comparable models and cumbersome base in compact cars, which may deter budget-minded shoppers. At number 2, we have the Graco SnugRide SnugFit, delivering a compelling blend of lightweight portability and trustworthy safety for newborns. From first handling, parents seeking fuss-free installation and newborn comfort will recognize the SnugRide SnugFit as a practical, safety-oriented option. Its ergonomic shape and intuitive controls are especially appealing to caregivers juggling feeds and naps, while ensuring a secure, snug fit for infants. Constructed with a sturdy yet comparatively lightweight shell, the seat balances durability and portability without sacrificing structural integrity during daily car rides. The compact base design keeps profile low, ensuring fits in most vehicles without impairing seatbelt routing comfortably. A robust 5-point harness system with shoulder pads ensures even distribution of forces while keeping the baby securely cradled during bumpy commutes. During testing, installation time remains short with minimal effort, while the harness maintains tension without constant readjustment during longer drives. Compared to the Chico Key Fit 30, the Graco SnugRide SnugFit excels with faster lockoff and simpler belt routing. The pros include a lightweight design, exceptionally easy installation, and a removable infant insert that eases early routine changes. The cons include a higher price point than some rivals and slightly bulky dimensions for compact city vehicles. The fabric cover is machine washable, making messy days easier to manage and keeping the seat fresh between trips. This seat works well with Graco Click Connect bases, enabling a quick transfer from car to stroller frame when needed. Parents will appreciate the low-profile recline and the absence of tangled straps during reinstallation after cleaning sessions. In practical terms, the Graco SnugRide SnugFit balances safety, convenience, and portability, making it a solid choice for new parents. At number 1, we have the safety-first Ellaris. From unboxing to daily use, the Ellaris radiates safety-minded confidence with clean lines and kid-friendly colorways on arrival. Its lightweight frame balances robust safety with portable handling, making on-the-go parent life more convenient for everyone. Targeting safety-conscious families who value simple installation and comfortable rides, Ellaris promises peace of mind during every car journey. Construction uses a reinforced steel frame with impact-absorbing foam layers, delivering a sturdy structure that resists flex under dynamic crash simulations. The design embraces a compact tri-fold design that helps it fit neatly in small trunks and crowded back seats. Overall dimensions prioritize reach and compatibility, ensuring a snug installation without sacrificing legroom for front passengers during longer trips. The Ellaris features an adjustable 5-point harness, auto-locking clips, and a headrest that rises with the child for consistent comfort. A removable, machine-washable cover simplifies upkeep, while a built-in cup holder adds practical on-the-road convenience. An integrated canopy and breathable fabrics help regulate temperature, reducing heat retention during summer drives and keeping infants comfortable. In real-world testing, repeated installs stay secure, with minimal seat movement once properly anchored using the latch system. It supports rear facing from 4 to 40 pounds, giving extended protection as a child grows. Parents report easy adjustments, predictable recline, and strong side impact protection that instills confidence during every road trip. Compared to the Graco SnugRide 35 Elite, Ellaris offers easier installation and longer life, though at a higher price. The pros include strong build, easy installation, and superior side impact protection. The cons include higher price and slightly bulkier base